Hello, good day. My name is John Martin B. Basok, and today I'm going to discuss the two provinces that I have chosen. First, Tawi-Tawi. Panampangan Island is an island in the municipality of Sapa-Sapa, Tawi-Tawi. It is located inside Basibuli Shoal. It is considered as the longest sandbar in the Philippines and is characterized with fine white sand beach in the Sulu Archipelago. Lastly, South Cotabato. The province, which is dubbed as the Land of the Dream Rivers, is located in the southern part of the Mindanao. The famous Tinalak is weaved in this province. Tinalak weaving, hailed as the province's ultimate cultural emblem, is a traditional masterpiece of geometric patterns dreamed to by Tibuli women, who weave the colored abaca fibers into intricate and vibrant patterns. Thank you. Choose tourism and choose UE Manila.